2 effortless kitchen tricks to melt stubborn belly fat fast. Ready to turn your waistline into a slimmer, stronger core? Learn to flatten your belly in just 7 days with lemon and apple magic. Simple ingredients, powerful results that fit any busy routine. Drop up to 7 kilos this week without strict diets or crazy workouts. Let nature's metabolic boosters do the heavy lifting for you. Gather 2 fresh, vibrant lemons from your kitchen basket. Their zesty power will kickstart our fat-burning infusion. Slice each lemon, peel and all, into thin, fragrant wheels. Every bit of zest holds metabolism-igniting oils within. Lemon's citric acids work like natural cleansers, dissolving stored belly fat. They flush toxins and spark faster digestion with every sip. Those bright drops accelerate your body's calorie furnace. More heat burned, less padding carried around your midsection. Now reach for 2 crisp apples and gently peel their skin. We're crafting sweetness that tames hunger without guilt. Choose tart green apples for extra fiber and fewer sugars. Their subtle bite sharpens the drink's refreshing flavor. Chop each apple into bite-sized slivers that release juice quickly. Uniform pieces ensure every nutrient seeps into the brew. Pectin-rich apples calm sudden cravings and extend fullness. Less snacking means steady, effortless weight loss. Their antioxidants team up with fiber to torch stubborn fat. Together they shape a leaner, more energized you. Tumble those juicy slices into a roomy saucepot. They'll simmer gently, surrendering flavor and benefits. Layer the vibrant lemon wheels right on top. Citrus and apple will dance in a fragrant duet. Pour in about 1 liter, roughly 3 cups, of fresh water. Liquid gold that carries nutrients to every cell. Slip in 2 aromatic cinnamon sticks for warmth and spice. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar and curbs sweet cravings. Bring the pot to a gentle boil and let it bubble 10 minutes. Heat marries flavors into a potent slimming elixir. Remove from heat and allow the brew to cool peacefully. Patience lets vitamins settle without losing potency. Strain the cooled liquid, catching fruit bits in a sieve. Clear, aromatic tea flows ready for the next step. Squeeze in fresh lemon juice for an extra zesty kick. Acids brighten flavor and double fat-melting power. This jar makes enough for 3 refreshing mornings. Prep once, enjoy effortless sips for days. Scaling up is simple if your schedule is packed. Batch brewing keeps healthy choices within reach. Just double every ingredient. Nothing complicated. Bigger pot, same powerful results and convenience. Store your tonic in a clean glass bottle, lid snug. Glass preserves purity and prevents flavor drift. Refrigerate or place in a cool pantry corner. Either way, it stays crisp and refreshing. Warm each serving gently to activate aromas. A cozy temperature wakes digestion first thing. Here's the simple ritual to maximize fat burn. Consistency amplifies the drink's natural power. Sip one comforting cup on an empty morning stomach. It primes metabolism before that first bite. If desired, swirl in a teaspoon of raw honey. Sweetness balances tartness without spiking sugar. Commit to 7 consecutive days of this routine. Your mirror will thank you for the dedication. Most feel pants loosen and energy climb in days. Small wins snowball into major transformation. Persistent sips target deep-stored abdominal fat. Watch stubborn bulges steadily flatten away. Many report dropping up to 7 kilos in 1 week. Results vary, yet momentum always rewards effort. Best part, no hardcore gym sessions or crash diets. Just nature working peacefully in your favor. Imagine unveiling a flatter, tighter midsection soon. Confidence blooms when clothes fit just right. Beyond the belly, a slimmer silhouette emerges. Lightness returns to every confident stride. Remember, bodies change at unique, beautiful tempos. Celebrate progress, however swift or gradual. Greater fat stores may need extra patience. Stay consistent. Every sip chips away at reserves. Metabolic rates differ like fingerprints. Hydration, sleep, and movement can boost your burn. Stay the course until you hit your personal goal. Persistence is the bridge between wish and victory. Ready for recipe 2? Another 7-day fat blasting plan. Fresh flavors, same promise of swift transformation. First, grab crisp apples, the heroes of this mix. Their fiber and sweetness set the stage. Shred the apples finely, releasing juicy aromas. Smaller pieces infuse quicker for richer taste. Study-backed apples drive down daily calories. They keep you full while nourishing every cell. Low-cal but fiber-rich, they slow digestion kindly. That steady release keeps cravings at bay. Transfer the fluffy shreds into a roomy bowl. We're assembling a vibrant fat-fighting salad. Next up, 2 bright carrots full of crunch. They lend color, nutrients, and gentle sweetness. Grate carrots into fine, airy strands beside apples. Texture layers make every sip enjoyable. Carrots fill plates without padding waistlines. Each bite hydrates while lighting up flavor. Their water content swells gently in the stomach. Fullness lingers, steering you past snack temptations. Hydration from food boosts skin radiance and energy. Every cell thrives when liquids come from nature. Fold those orange ribbons into the apple mound. Colors mingle like a harvest rainbow. Bring in one juicy orange for tang and vitamin C. Citrus sparks fat metabolism like morning sunshine. Vitamin C elevates your body's fat oxidation engine. It helps convert stored fuel into daily vitality. Pour the bright juice over apple-carrot blend, a tropical kiss that ties flavors together. Oranges curb cravings and energize workouts naturally. Their zing refreshes both body and spirit. Antioxidants wage war on stubborn stored fat. They support liver health for cleaner metabolism. Carefully pour 1 liter of hot water into a jug. Heat extracts goodness without harsh cooking. Tip the colorful mix into the steamy bath. Nutrients swirl, creating a dynamic detox infusion. Cap the jug and let flavors steep 10 minutes. A short rest lets vitamins bloom to full strength. Strain the aromatic liquid into a clean pitcher. You're left with a bright, nourishing drink. Stir in a spoon of raw honey if you fancy sweetness. It soothes the palate while offering enzymes. Whisk slowly until honey dissolves completely. Uniform taste means every sip feels harmonious. Pour the elixir into a sturdy glass bottle. Transparent walls showcase its golden hue. Chill your bottle to preserve freshness and zing. Cold sips also boost calorie burn through thermogenesis. Here's the serving guide for best fat burn payoff. Follow timings to keep metabolism humming. Enjoy 1 generous cup on an empty morning stomach. It primes digestion and curbs later hunger pangs. Commit for a full week to witness dramatic changes. Routine plus patience equals visible success. Within days, belts notch tighter and energy spikes. Feedback from friends will confirm your progress. Persistent fat pockets around your midsection shrink. Confidence rises as curves redefine themselves. Many users shed up to 7 kilograms quickly. Your scale becomes proof of commitment rewarded. Bodies respond at individual rhythms. Honor yours. Focus on journey, not comparison with others. Greater stores demand extra rounds of the ritual. Each batch sips away layers you no longer need. Genetics and lifestyle shape your personal burn rate. Stay hydrated, rest well, and move to speed results. Keep the habit alive until your mirror smiles back. Consistency transforms simple sips into wellness wins. Thank you, dear friends, for sharing this healthy journey. Like and subscribe for more natural wellness secrets.